We've got a BMW 3 Series here. We're going to be fitting a integrated reverse camera. So that's the stereo system that's built into the car. Just want to put it into reverse at the moment. It just comes up with the parking sensor symbols, as it has no reverse camera. Just show you the boot lid. So that's the boot lid at the moment. Well, it's all stripped, as you can see. So that's the actual screen itself. That's the main stereo for the car. Now I'm ready to actually fit the module. Well, the module's installed. I'm just testing it out, make sure everything's okay before I go through the painstaking effort of fitting the camera actually on the boot lid. So well, that all works. Right, installation of a integrated reverse camera and the actual camera to look OEM. So you can see that's where the camera is. It just replaces the boot lid handle. So it's nice and discreet. And you've still got the factory entertainment system. So reverse. As you can see now, you have the video image there, the parking sensor image is still in play, so you have both. Right, so that is a camera integration kit that's installed into this BMW 3 Series. So it works with the factory multimedia system, so it just looks OEM.